In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. This was the segmentation map created with Blender's texture painter and used in Stable Diffusion. Please use Eevee with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. By using the texture paint, we can create and paint a segmentation map after creating a new material by clicking this button. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.